The sensor readings look accurate on the tablet.
Yes, the weight distribution is perfect.
The thickness is consistent at 3.2 millimeters.
Confirmed. Alignment is within tolerance. Log it as passed.
Reading is exactly 25 millimeters.
Confirmed. Data logged.
The tensile strength on this batch looks excellent.
Agreed. The elongation data is well within tolerance too. We need to verify the measurements here. Everything is within tolerance. We are clear for the next sequence.
Bore 1, reading is 86.012.
86.012 logged.
Confirmed. Moving to bore 2.
The alignment looks perfect here.
Confirmed. The readings on the tablet match the physical installation tolerance.
Are the tolerances within the specified range on the casing?
Yes, the CMM is reading 0.02 millimeters, well within limits.
Okay, guide it up into the mount.
Perfect. Now use the impact wrench on that bolt.
Guide it down slowly.
Alignment confirmed. Proceed with securing.
Ready for the clamp?
Securing it now. It's set.
Perfect. Let's check the other side.
All lines connected and secured.
Levels look good. Ready for the pressure test.
Check the harness connection point 7.
7 confirmed. Torque is good here.
It looks stable now. The update seems to have resolved the glitch in the infotainment system.
Agreed. The diagnostics are showing green across the board. The systems check out across the board. Look at the telemetry.
Everything is well within parameters. We're good to disconnect. Initial diagnostics look good. We have a smooth idle across all cylinders.
Perfect. There's some pitting near the flange weld here.
Yeah, note that on the tablet.
Look closely at the driver's side seal right here. I'm seeing a slight ingress.
Noted. Pressure holds everywhere else.
Alignment looks perfect on this side.
Same here. Paint finish is flawless.
Look at the modulation here. The ABS engaged exactly as expected.
Peak deceleration is within tolerance. Good results.